Finding the right alternative investment manager is akin to picking a single prized fish out of an immense deep ocean. And that ocean is crowded with over 8,000 varieties of alternative fish that are often hard just to detect, let alone evaluate. Even once located, what appears to be the right fish on the outside can, upon closer inspection, reveal unhealthy traits, bad habits, and overall weaknesses. Locating quality alternatives managers is both art and science, and investors need a firm that can do the deep dive when it comes to discovering best-of-breed choices. At Altegris, we follow a disciplined and proven 5-step process. First, our investment committee, comprised of some of Altegris' most seasoned mariners, explores the depths of the seas, mapping out areas that may contain the most potential. These ideas and strategies are conveyed to the Research and Investments Group, who then takes the plunge to conduct a preliminary hands-on search and examination. Armed with experience and a global network of relationships, the Research and Investments Group will locate potential candidates. Knowing what to look for and what to avoid, they perform a comprehensive examination and report their findings back to the investment committee. The investment committee reviews the initial assessment, and if they approve, will send the Research and Investments Group out again to conduct even more in-depth operational and investment due diligence. To accomplish this, Altegris brings along not only its most experienced divers, but advanced analytic tools. And if the necessary tools don't exist, Altegris will build them from scratch. A final, comprehensive report is then provided to the investment committee. But before we tag any alternatives manager with our approval, the vote from the investment committee must be unanimous. Altegris conducts ongoing reassessments and due diligence to make sure selected managers continue to meet our highest standards. That's why we're the firm people think of when they think of alternatives. And advisors and end clients alike can be assured that when selected managers receive Altegris' approval, it only comes after oceans of research. Past performance is not indicative of future results. There can be no assurance that any investment or asset class will achieve its objectives, generate profits, or avoid losses. Investing involves risk of loss, and alternative investments may not be suitable for everyone. The investment expertise of any manager may prove to be inaccurate or may not produce the desired results.